As you begin your home search, one of the things you'll have to consider is whether or not to purchase your property in an HOA governed community. So in this video, we'll spend some time talking about what an HOA is, why they even matter, and how they really impact your mortgage application. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Home Loan Drew here outside of one of Central Florida's most well-known HOA governed communities, the Heathrow Golf and Country Club community. This community is one of 370,000 HOA governed communities in the United States. Over 40 million residents here in the US are located within HOA communities. So the question is, what are HOAs? Why do they exist? Why are they important? And what do you need to know about how they impact your mortgage application? We're going to talk about all that right now. HOAs are famous or notorious, depending on how you look at it, for enforcing things like how you maintain the appearance of your home, what color you paint your home, where you park in your neighborhood, things like that. Of course, these things may seem annoying sometimes.
Oh, come on, man.
But what we really have to talk about is why the HOAs exist and enforce such rules. The reason why HOAs are so popular across the United States is because the HOA is responsible for protecting and maintaining, and sometimes even increasing, the property value in a neighborhood. For example, if you have a home that's a normal color and the home next to you is a bright pink color, right? Someone that's coming to buy your home may say, wow, I really like your house, but unfortunately, I'm not gonna buy it because I don't wanna look at a really bright, hot pink house all the time. And so that has now impacted your property's value. A more severe example would basically be a home that's got a lot of yard trash in the front, right? So someone comes to buy your home and sees a house full of trash and says, sorry, I can't do it. HOAs can also provide a ton of amenities for the members living within them. For example, a community entrance with a gate or a guard, just like this one, a pool, a clubhouse, a playground. There's so many different things that can be included in an HOA governed community. So obviously, when considering all of these different things, there are major benefits to having a homeowners association. Now, how do they impact your mortgage application? Well, all of these helpful things don't come for free. Homeowners Association members or homeowners have to pay what's called Homeowners Association dues to the Homeowners Association that's governing everything. These dues can be collected as frequent as monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or once a year, and are basically used to fund the HOA's normal operations as well as reserves. Your normal operations would include your maintenance, your normal upkeep, your insurance, and the reserves are used to take care of major projects like the roads, walls, and things like that. So obviously these dues that are collected are very important and in most cases mandatory. Because you have to pay them, lenders have to include them in the mortgage payment calculation against your debt to income ratio. So keep this in mind as you look around for places and know that the lender is going to add the HOA dues to your mortgage payment when qualifying you. What's also worth mentioning is that sometimes the HOA will collect what's called a capital contribution when you purchase in that community. This capital contribution can increase your closing costs when it comes down to closing time. It's also pretty standard to see the title company collect a few months of HOA dues to make sure that you're up to date and current on your HOA dues when you buy in the community. Of course, they may get on people's nerves, but at the end of the day, HOAs are a beneficial aspect of home ownership, and you should absolutely consider it if you are looking to buy a home. So if you'd like to get pre-approved for a home within an HOA community, reach out to me directly. All of my contact information is in the description below. You can even set a one-on-one appointment with me using the Calendly link down in the description below as well. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll talk to you guys very soon.